What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy AJ. Today we got some couple parts to install in the Monster 1200S. Got some frame sliders and some mirrors. So stick around, we're gonna get right to it. Alright everybody, so this is what we're working with. So we call it EvoTech, or frame sliders. They're the Amazon specials. So I already put them together as far as the sliders go. Now we just gotta figure out how to mount it to the bike because it didn't come with any instructions. So I know the gist of it is you gotta take these off on both sides, and that's where they mount. So the only thing is, it comes with two like this, and then the other two, one is the same as the others, and you get this little circle one. So I gotta figure out which go on which side. So let me go back to where I bought it from and look at the pictures. Long one, short one. Alright, so the hard part is fitting this like that. And I say hard because this coolant hose is gonna be in the way. I'm gonna have to squeeze around it somehow. So let me see about getting this put together, alright? Okay, not gonna lie, I'm freaking gassed right now. That was kind of a lot of work, only because it didn't come with any instructions. So hopefully I can make it a little bit easier for you. Okay? You got your right and your left side, obviously. And I was wrong. So the bolts, they're two different sizes. Three are the same, one's shorter. The spacers, there's gonna be two of the same size and the other two are different sizes each. So the smallest spacer goes with the smallest bolt here on the right side. Then the second two, so there's the biggest one. Actually, all four are different sizes, the spacers. Smallest one goes here. Number two, so if you were to line them up from biggest to smallest, the second one goes here. Okay? Hope that makes sense. If not, message me in the comments. I'll explain it better. And when you go over here to the left side, I'm gonna be honest, I can't really remember exactly, but the other two go here. Okay, and it's not that hard to figure it out from there. You have to pull on this coolant hose up out of the way. It's fine, it moves out of the way. Then when you're all done, you're gonna have a small gap like that, even on all of them. Okay, there's a small gap there. Small gap here. Same on this side. Small gap and small gap. Now you're gonna have to crank them down really hard. I don't know what the torque specs are. If you wanna look it up, go ahead, torque it out. Probably gonna figure it out myself. Torque those down a little bit. Pause. I did notice right now that your coolant reservoir right here is kind of blocked. And you do not want to take these on and off because it is a pain in the butt. And the engine is supported by this trellis frame. So if you were to undo all four at the same time, your engine's going to miss a line, get down a little bit. Which was my case a little bit. So don't do that. Focus on one side, do the other side. Be a lot easier for you. And then if we go to the other side, whatever this cover is right here, I think it has like fuses and stuff in there, maybe not. Well, whatever the cover is, it definitely blocks that cover. So keep that in mind. So now I'm going to show you how to put these together. This is going to be simple. Comes with one long bolt and a washer. That goes inside, just like that. Then you're going to have a rubber gasket or a rubber washer. You should have two of them, one for each. Slides on like that over this inside. Then all you gotta do is screw it onto here. Same size as all the other Allen keys, Allen bolts. Crank that bad boy down. Just do that with both sides. And there you have it. That's it. Solid. It rolls a little bit like it's supposed to. And I was worried that it was going to be a little higher up here and block my knees, but I think it's going to be perfect. Should be great. So the next thing we got is some little fake Rosomo mirrors. We're going to try them out. Someone told me that you can't really see much out of them, which is probably true based on the size of these bad boys. But those mirrors for this bike are like 500 bucks, something like that. These are Amazon specials. Looks pretty much the same. 60 bucks. So we're gonna give it a shot. Might not like the look of it or whatever, but we'll see. So this one's even easier. Okay, I'm not even gonna show you, just gonna show you what it looks like after. Here's your mirrors, follow it down, unbolt that, put the mirror on, put the bolt back, good to go. So I'll show you when it's all done. Alright, so here they are. Here's your stealth mirrors. say they look okay. A couple different angles. What do you guys think? Now they do see a lot of my wrist, even though they're flared outward. So we'll have to see how they perform. Because it's pretty important to have mirrors, especially when you're riding in a group. If you're just with other cars and whatnot, it's not so bad. But with other bikes that are flying by you, you want to be able to see before you make a move. So we'll see. Put them down like that. Aerodynamics, take off, fly away. Just kidding. Yeah. Yeah, all right. We'll see. Boom. So that was it, guys. Thanks for watching the video. If you made it this far, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one. Don't forget, we got our downpipe for the Veloster N. We'll be installing that probably a couple months from now, so it's going to be a little while. But don't forget to come back and check it out. So thank you again for watching. Peace out.